And now let's look at the Viennese Cross to outside change. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and. Man starts with left foot, he goes forward to side cross, which is Viennese Cross, and then we continue outside change, back and to side in promenade. Man starts with left foot, he goes forward to side cross, and second part he does back and to side in promenade. Now lady steps, lady starts with right foot, she dances back to side close, which is Viennese Cross steps, and then outside change, forward and to side in promenade position. Again, with right foot back to side close, and second part forward and to side in promenade. And now let's look at routine, starting with natural spin turn to side cross. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. From opposite direction with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Man steps, man starts with the right foot, he goes forward to side close, now back and pivot, forward to side and cross behind. Let's look again. Man starts with first 5 steps of natural spin turn and then side cross steps. Forward to side close, back and pivot, forward to side and cross behind. And now lady steps, lady starts with left foot, back to side close, forward and pivoting action diagonally back to side and cross in front. Let's look again. Lady will dance first 5 steps of natural spin turn and then to side and cross. So back to side close, forward pivoting action diagonally back to side and cross in front. And now Viennese Cross to outside change and chasse from promenade position. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. And 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. Man steps, man starts with left foot, forward, side, cross, back and to side in promenade, forward in promenade, side, close, side and slightly forward. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot. She goes back to side, close, forward to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, close, to side and slightly back. And now let's look at overturn, spin turn and then 2 turning locks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Let's look again. We will dance natural spin turn overturned and then turning lock with pivots and turning lock to close position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Man steps, man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back and pivot, forward, back, back, cross in front to side, pivot, back, cross in front to side and diagonally forward. Let's look again from opposite direction. So first turning lock will be with pivot ending, second to close position. Forward to side, close, back and pivot, forward, back, back, cross in front to side, pivot, back, cross in front to side and diagonally forward. And now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, forward and pivoting action, diagonally back, brush, forward, forward, cross to side, pivot, forward, cross to side and diagonally back. And again, let's look at lady steps. First turning lock will be with pivot and second finishes in close position. Back to side, close, forward and pivoting action, diagonally back, brush, forward, forward, cross to side and pivot, forward, cross to side and diagonally back. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. One, two, three, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's look at routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.